Hello everyone, welcome to Python application programming lecture series. In this video, we are going to discuss about dictionaries, dictionary as a set of counters, and looping and dictionaries. Dictionaries are a Python most powerful data collections. So dictionaries are allow us to do the fast database. A dictionary is a collection of unordered set of keys and value pairs, which are requirement that keys are the unique in one dictionaries. Unlike list and strings where elements are assessed using a index value which are integers, the value in the dictionary are assessed using keys. A key is a dictionary can be any immutable type like string, numbers and tuples. The tuple can be made as the key for dictionaries the only if the tuple consists of string, number or subtuples. As a list or mutable that is can be modified using a index assignment, slicing or using methods like append, extend, etc. They can't be a key for dictionaries. One can think of the dictionary as a mapping between set of indices which are actually keys and a set of values, each key mapped to a values. Now we will see how to create the empty dictionaries in Python. So an empty dictionary can be created using two ways. The first way is, so we have to create the empty dictionary by using bracket. So bracket is curly braces or flower bracket. So first we have to specify the dictionary name, dictionary variable name. So here I name it as D. After that we have to use the assignment operator, and this is the bracket. So this is the flower brackets. So this is the one method. So another method is we have to use the keyword. So keyword is dict. So this instruction will create the empty dictionary. So keyword with parenthesis. So using flower brackets or keyword, so we can create the empty dictionaries. So let's consider one example. To add items to a dictionary, so we can use the square bracket s. So for example, so d is equal to curly braces. So this instruction will create the empty dictionary. So now I am going to add the items to dictionary. So if you want to add the items, so we can use the square braces. So for example, you take, so d, open the bracket, square bracket, mango, within a quote I specified it's equal to fruit, and second data is d is banana is equal to fruit. Next item is d is equal to cucumber is equal to veg. So this is the syntax to add the item to dictionaries. So if you print the d, so Python interpreter will print mango. After that, Python interpreter will print the fruit. So here mango is the key and fruit is the value pair. So this is the one set of data, and next set is banana and fruit. So here banana is the key and fruit is the value pair. So next item is cucumber. So cucumber is key and veg is value pairs. So here mango, banana and cucumber are the keys, fruit, veg are the value pairs. So this is the syntax for creating the dictionaries. So let's consider one more example. So to initialize a dictionary at a time of creating itself, one can use the code like this. So here I created one variable, dictionary variable. I name it as tell underscore dir. It's equal to, so first we have to open the braces, curly braces. So first we have to specify the key. So here key is Tom colon and value pairs is 3491 comma, and next key is Jerry colon and value pairs is 8134. So this is the first set. So each set it consists of key, keyword and value pairs. So each set we separated by commas. So this is the first set and this is the second set. So if you print tell underscore dir, the Python interpreter will print the Tom 3491 and Jerry 8135. So this is the dictionary. So I name it as tell underscore dir. So if you want to add new item to my existing dictionary, so we can use the square braces. So here, so I call the tell underscore dir. So within the square braces and within the quote I specify the keyword Donald and value pairs is 4793. So I'm using assignment operator here. So if you print tell underscore dir, the Python interpreter will print the Tom 3491, Jerry 8135 and added element is Donald 7491. So here Tom, Jerry and Donald are the keys and 3491, 8135 and 4793 are the value pairs. So keys and value pairs we separated by colon and each set of items so we separated by commas. Note that the order of element in dictionary is unpredictable. That is, in the previous example does not assume that Tom 3491 is the first element and Jerry 8135 is the second element, second item, etc. As a dictionary members are not indexing over an integer, the order of element inside it may vary. However, using a key, we can extract its associated value. So for example, so we print tell underscore dir is my dictionary name. So within a square bracket, I specify the key. So key is Jerry. So this instruction is going to print the Jerry value pairs. The value is 8135. So here the key Jerry maps with the value 8135. Hence it does not matter where exactly in the inside the dictionaries. So in a particular key is not there in the dictionary, and if we try to access the such keys, then the key error is generated. For example, print tell underscore dir. So here key is Mickey. So Python interpreter will give the key error Mickey. So Mickey it's not part of my dictionary keys. So that's what Python interpreter will generates the key error. Now we will see some operators and functions in Python, functions in dictionaries. So the len function on dictionary object gives the number of key values pairs in that object. So for example, you take the print tell underscore dir, Python interpreter will print first set of items Tom and value pairs, Jerry and values, and Donald and values. So if you want to count the number of items, so we can use this function. The function is len parenthesis. So here, so within the parenthesis, if you pass the dictionary name, so len after that we have to open the braces. So here we pass the dictionary name. So dictionary name is tell underscore dir. So this instruction will count the number of items present in the dictionary. So number of items are 3 here. So it will count only the keys. The keys is the Tom is the first one, Jerry and Donald. So here number of sets are, this is the first one, Tom and value pairs, and second set is Jerry and 8135, and third one is Donald and 4793. So using this len function, we can easily count the dictionary items. The in operator can be used to check whether any key or not value appears in the dictionary object. So for example, So Mickey is the key. After that I'm using in. So this is my dictionary name, tell underscore dir. So this will give the boolean output. The output is false. So because Mickey is not a part of my dictionary keys. So that's what. So this instruction will give the false. So let's consider one more example. Jerry is the key in tell underscore dir. So this will give the true because Jerry is the part of my dictionaries. So dictionary keys. So dictionary keys. So that's what the interpreter will give the true. So if you say 3491 is the value for 9 value pairs in this is my dictionary name tell underscore dir. So this will gives the false because we observe from the above example that the value 3491 is associated with the key Tom. So in tell underscore dir, but the in operator is returns the false. The dictionary object as the method values, which will returns a list of all the values associated with the keys within a dictionaries. If we would like to check whether the particular value is exist in a dictionary, we can make use. So for example, you take, so this is the value pair 3491. So this is my dictionary name. After that I'm using in operator. So after that I'm calling my dictionary tell underscore dir. So after that I'm invoking the method value. So this will gives the true. The in operator is behaves differently in case of list and dictionary as explained hereunder. So where when in operator is used to search a value in a list, then linear search algorithm is used internally. That is, each element in the list is checked one by one sequentially. This is considered to be expensive in the view of total time taken to process, because if there are 1000 items in the list and if the element in the list which we are search for is in the last portions, then before yielding the result search, so results are true or false. So we would have done 1000 comparison. In other words, the linear search requires n number of comparison of the input size of n elements. Time complexity of the linear search algorithm is O of n. The key is the dictionary of the Python are basically hashable elements. The concept of hashing is applying to store or maintain the key of dictionaries. Normally, hashing techniques have a time complexity as log n for basic operations like insertion, deletion, and searching. Hence, the in operator applies on the key of dictionary works better compared to that on list. Let's try all these things in Python interpreter. So if you want to create an empty list, first we have to specify the dictionary variable name. I name it as d. It's equal to, just to open the curly braces. So this instruction will create the empty list. So if you want to check the class, so just you type. So within the parenthesis you pass the dictionary variable name. So dictionary variable name I name it as d. So this will shows the class dictionary. So this is the one method. The another method is so using keys. So first we have to create the dictionary variable name d. It's equal to key is dict. After that we are using normal braces. So if you want to check the class of d is dictionary dict. So if you want to add the items to a dictionary, we can use the square braces. So for example, d is equal to curly braces. So this will create the empty dictionary. If you want to add the items to my empty dictionary, so we can use the square bracket. For example, so let's say d, just you open the square bracket. So within the quote I specify the key mango. Let's say mango. After that I am going to use the assignment operator, and again value pairs. Let's say value pair is fruit. fruit. So this instruction it's going to add the item to my empty dictionary. So if you print D, so Python interpreter will print the mango and fruit. So my dictionary items are mango and fruit. So using square bracket, so we can add the item to a dictionary. So if you want to create the dictionary, first we have to specify the dictionary name. For example, you take tel underscore dir, my dictionary name. So after that I'm going to create dictionary. So dictionary element, let's say Tom is my key. So after that I'm going to use the colon and value pairs, let's say 3491. So here 3491 is the value pairs and Tom is the key, dictionary key, and the next item is let's say Jerry is the key and value pairs is 8, let's say 8135. After that I'm going to close the curly braces. So here, so this is the one set of item and this is another set of items. So each set we separated by commas and keys and value pairs are separated by colon. So this is the syntax for creating the dictionary. So if you print the dictionary, so I name it as tel underscore dir, the Python interpreter will print the dictionary items. The items are Tom and value pair is 3491 and next item is Jerry and value pairs are 8135. So if you want to add the new item to my existing dictionary, so here existing items are Tom and Jerry. So I want to add one more, so we can use the square bracket. So for example, tel underscore dir is my dictionary name. So after that I'm going to open the square braces. So I want to add Donald to my existing dictionary. So Donald, close the bracket. After that I'm going to use the assignment operator. The value pairs, let's say 4793. This instruction will add the new item to my existing dictionary. So if you print tel underscore dir, the Python interpreter will print the Tom and respective value pairs, Jerry and respective value pairs, Donald and respective value pairs. So here newly added item is Donald and value pair is 4793. If you want to find out the length of the dictionary, so we can use the len function. So let's say len of dictionary name. So len of dictionary name, I name it as tel and underscore dir. So this will gives the total number of items present in my dictionary. So here number of items are 3. So Tom is the one item, Jerry is the second one and Donald is the third one and respective value pairs. So if you specify the in operator, so in operator, if you want to find out the existence of the keys and value pair, so we can use the in operator. So for example, so let's say Jerry, after that I'm going to use in operator and my dictionary name tel underscore dir. So this will give the boolean output. So here Jerry in tel underscore dir, so Jerry is the key keyword in my dictionary, so it will gives the true value. So if you say abc in tell underscore dir, so Python interpreter will gives the false, because abc it's not the abc is not the part of my dictionary. So here dictionary elements are Tom, Jerry and Donald, so that's what Python interpreter will gives the false. Now we will look into dictionary as a set of counters. Assume that we need to count a frequency of the alphabets in the given string. There are the different methods to do it. Create 24 variable to represent each alphabets, traverse the given string and increment the corresponding counter when the alphabets is found. So creating a 26 variable is the one method, and another method is traversing a given string and increment the corresponding counter when the alphabets is found. This is another method. So create a list with the 26 element, all are 0 in the beginning, representing the alphabets. Traverse the given string and incrementing corresponding index position in the list when a alphabet is found, creating a dictionary with the character as a key and counter as the values. When we find a character for the first time, we add the item to a dictionary. The next time onwards, we increment the value of the existing item. Each of the above methods will perform the same task, but logic of implementation will be different. Hence, we will see the implementation using a dictionaries. So this instruction s is equal to input enter a string. It read the string. So after that we are creating one empty list. This instruction will create the empty dictionary. D is equal to dict parenthesis. This will create the empty dictionary. So after that we are declaring one loop. This loop is traversed through the string so far, and a loop variable I name it as ch in s. S is the user input. So after that we declare one condition if ch not in d, so if new character is found, so initialize counter to 1, so d of ch is equal to 1. So otherwise so it incremented by 1, so d of ch plus is equal to 1. So at the finally we are going to print the d value. So this Python code will gives the number of occurrences in the given string. So for example, let's consider one sample output. So enter a string. So enter string is hello world. So here h is the uppercase, ELLO is the lowercase, after the space, and again W is the uppercase, ORLD are the lowercase. So here number of occurrences are H, number of occurrences is 1, E occurrence is 1, L is number of occurrences are 3. So here this is the first occurrence, and this is the second occurrence, and this is the third occurrence. So O number of occurrences are 2, and this is the first occurrence, and this is the second occurrence. After that space occurrence is 1. So Python is treated space as a character. So that's what number of occurrence, space occurrence is 1 here. Then W occurrence is 1, R occurrence is 1, and D occurrence is 1. So it can be observed from the output that a dictionary is created here with the character as a keys and frequency as a values. Note that here we have computed histogram of counters. So dictionary in Python as a method called as a get function, which takes a key and the default value as 2 argument. If key is found in the dictionary, then get function returns the corresponding values. Otherwise it returns a default value. For example, so tell underscore dictionary, and dictionary items are Tom, Jerry and Mickey and respective value pairs. So if you print tell underscore dir, after that I am going to invoke the function method get dot get. So here I am passing the key. So key is Jerry, and after that I am going to specify the 0 value. So this instruction is going to print the Jerry value pairs. So here Jerry value pairs are 8135. So if you print tell underscore dir dot get Donald comma 0, the Python interpreter will print the default value. So here default value is 0 because Donald is not a part of my dictionary items. So that's what the interpreter will give the 0. So in the above example, when the get function is taking Jerry as a argument, it returns the corresponding values. So corresponding value for the Jerry is 8135, as a Jerry is found in the del underscore dir. Whereas when get is used with the Donald as a key, the default value is 0, which is provided by us. So it returns. The function get can be used effectively for calculating the frequency of alphabets in a string. Here is the modified version of the previous program. So s is equal to input enter a string is asking the user input. So after that we are creating one empty dictionaries. After we declare one loop for loop variable name is ch in s. So after that we are going to add d of ch, so this is the updation is equal to, so we are calling dictionary d dot, we are invoking the get function get. Here we are passing the two parameter. The parameter is ch is the loop variable name comma 0 plus 1. So after that we are going to print the dictionary, updated dictionary. In the above program, for every character ch is given a string. When we will try to retrieve a value, when the ch is found in d, its value is retrieved, 1 is added to it and restored. If the channel is not found, 0 is taken as a default and then 1 is added to it. So let's try these things in Python interpreter. So this Python code will count the number of occurrences in the given strings. So let's run this code. The Python interpreter will asking the user enter a string. So let's say enter string is hello space world. So this is the user input hello world. So Python interpreter will count the number of occurrences. So here, so h number of occurrences is 1, e occurrence is e, and next l number of occurrences are 3, next word is o, occurrences are 2, and next is white space, occurrence is 1, next is w, occurrence is 1, r occurrence is 1, and d occurrence is 1. The modified code is so here we are asking the user input. After that we created one empty dictionary and this is the loop, and here we are using get function and this is the syntax. So here, so we invoke the get function and here parameters is ch and default value is 0 plus 1. So just you run this. So the Python interpreter is asking the user input. So just you say hello world. So this program will count the number of occurrences, the alphabet occurrences. So here h is 1, e is 1, l is 3, o is 2, space is 1, w is 1, r is 1, and d is 1. So this is the modified code. So here we are using the built-in method get function. When a for loop is applied on a dictionaries, it will iterate over the key of the dictionaries. If we want to print a key and values separately, we need to use the statement as shown. So for example, this is my dictionary. I name it as tell underscore dir, and dictionary items are Tom, Jerry and Mickey. So after that, I am going to specify one loop for, and loop variable I name it as k in tell underscore dir. So after that, so in print statement we have to print the k comma, and again we have to print, we have to call the dictionary tell underscore dir. So within the square bracket again we have to specify the k. So this will print the item with value pairs separately. The output would be Tom and respective value pairs is 3491, Jerry and value pair is 8135 and Mickey 1251. So if you want to print separately, so within the square bracket we have to specify the loop variable name. Note that while accessing the item from the dictionary, the key may not be in order. If you want to print a key in alphabetical order, then we need to make a list of the keys and then sort the list. So we can do using keys method of the dictionaries and sort method of list. So let's consider the following code. So this is my dictionary, and dictionary items are Tom, Jerry and Mickey. So here I am going to convert this dictionaries into list. So I name it as ls is equal to list of dictionary name is tell underscore dir. I am using keys method, keys function. So after that I am going to print the list of keys ls. So this will print the keys Tom, Jerry and Mickey's. So after that I am calling the dictionary list ls. I am going to sort this by using sort function. So if you print this, the Python interpreter will print the dictionary element in alphabetical order. So after that I am specifying the for loop for k is the loop variable in ls. Ls is the sorted list. So after that I am going to print k and dictionary tell underscore dictionary of k. So for example, the output would be the list of the keys are Tom, Jerry and Mickey. So this is the key list. The dictionary element is in alphabetical order. So it will print alphabetical order. So at the end, so this code will print the Jerry at the first and respective value pairs, and next it's going to print the Mickey and value pairs, and Tom and respective value pairs. So using key and sort method, so we can easily arrange the keys in alphabetical order. Note that the key value pairs from the dictionary can be together accessed with the help of the method item as shown. So this is my dictionary, and dictionary elements are Tom, Jerry and Mickey. After that I am going to declare one loop, and loop variables are two here. The variable I name it as k comma v in d is the dictionary name, d dot item. After that I am going to print dictionary variable names. The names are, I name it as k comma v. So output would be Tom and value pairs, Jerry and value pairs, and Mickey and value pairs. The usage of comma separated list k comma v here is internally a tuple, the another data structure in Python. So we will discuss later. So this instruction print k comma v, so will print the items available in the dictionaries. These are some references. Thank you.